everyone, this is a quick unboxing and review video of a watch roll that I ordered. It's called Hidedge. So it's come very well packed, and this is the receipt. This is how it looks. Not pure leather, but it still looks pretty nice. And let's see. Okay, so this buckle, it was just a fake one. It doesn't matter because this is just it's like a button. So this buckle is just for the show. I almost spoiled it trying to open it, but anyways, it's as simple as this. It's not that simple, like it's like this. So there is this on top of this. So this is kind of tricky, but yeah, overall it's pretty decent. I would say decent quality. So you get what you pay for, basically. So let's put the watches inside and see how it looks. So this is after the watches are placed. This is how it looks. It doesn't open up fully, but I think it's perfect for the bone strap watches which I am having.